In the next class, we are discussing this loop concept. So, loop means we are trying to repeat the set of statements. Set of statements. Repeating the set of statements. Whenever you want to repeat any set of statements, generally we are using the loops. So, loops here we are having three different types of loops. While, just this one, and do while is there. The three different type of loops are there. So we will discuss one by one. First, let us come to the while loop. So any loop, okay, if you want to take any loop, there are three steps are there. One is initialization, initialization, and next one is condition checking, condition. One is updating. So these three steps are important: initialization, condition checking, and updating the values. So let us go to the repeat while statement. Okay. While, let us use while statement. So for this, first initialization is compulsory. Okay, I'm making it as comment. Now it is comment. Initialization means suppose I'm taking int equal to I equal to 1 I'm taking. Next I'm taking the condition while I less than or equal to 10. Now I want to print something. Now what will happen? NMIMS will be printed, okay, 10 times. But increment also should be happen. Okay, initialization is compulsory. So this is called initialization. This step is initialization. So whenever I'm writing double slash, it is a comment. Comment means it will not execute in the program. This is called condition check. I grade that. This is set of blocks. What you want to repeat? You want to repeat set of statements. No? So what you want to repeat? I want to repeat NMIS. Okay. Next, what you want? You want updation. Okay. So updating the values. I is equal to I plus 1. These three steps compulsory for any loop. Initialization, and this is called initialization, condition checking, updating values. Okay, initialization done here. Next condition checking done here. Next updating is here. Okay, so now let us see what will happen here. Let us execute this. So here what it is saying, semicolon is saying. So NMIMS is printed 10 times. NMIMS, NMIMS, NMIMS. This is printed 10 times. Okay, so whatever you want to print, okay, you can give the statement. Okay, suppose Rama. Okay, Rama 100 times or 1000 times. So it is repeating 1000 times or 100 times. If you are giving Rama Rama. So whatever you want to repeat, okay, that we have to write within the blank set of statements. Now let us try to understand the logic behind this. So what is happening here? First of all, initialization done. This is done. Means I is equal to 1. It is happening. Okay. Next it will come to the condition checking. So what is happening? 1 less than 100. Condition true. Condition true means it will come here. So Rama is printed. Next what is happening? After this I place means it become 2. it becomes 2. So after this again it will go to the condition checking again. Again it is checking 2 less than 100. Yes, condition true. So again it is coming inside and again Rama is printed. Okay. Again I becomes plus 1. So this becomes 3. Again 3 less than 100. Okay. And again it is going up. And again it is printing Rama. So this will go on till 100 less than or equal to 100. Yes. Condition true. So 100 times it is printed. Next it becomes 101. 101 less than or equal to 100. This is false. So when condition is false, it will come out. Okay, when condition is true, this is okay. This will enter. When condition is true, this will enter. When condition is false, suppose if the condition is false here, it will directly come to here. Out of the if condition is false. If condition is false, it will come out. If condition is true, it will go inside. It will go inside the black. So three steps are important. One is initialization, condition checking, updating the values for any loop. Okay. So now next we will take another simple program. So now I is equal to 1 and let us print values. Okay. Print percentage t and this is I. So I'm printing values. 100 values I'm printing. Okay. So now let us check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 100 values we are getting. Okay. Means the same story here also. Suppose I is equal to 1. So then it will come here. Condition checking. True. Yes, it will come here. So 1 is printed. Now increment is happening. Increment means it becomes 2. Again it will go up. Condition true. 2 less than 100. Yes, 2 will be printed. Okay. 2 greater than. Okay. The like that. All 3, 4, 5 like that. 100 will be printed. Okay. All conditions it is checking one by one. This process you have to follow. Suppose if I want only even numbers. Even numbers means what to do? Even number starts from generally 2. Okay. And 2 to increment is happening. 2 to increments. 2 to increments means you will get even numbers. So here also same story. So first I is equal to 2. Okay. Now it is coming here. Condition checking. Yes. 2 less than or equal to 100. Condition true. Come inside. So 2 is printed. Now I plus 2. It becomes 4. And again it will go here. Okay. So as long as the condition is true, it is repeating. And condition fails, it will come out. Okay. And again 4 less than or equal to 100. Condition true. So 4 will be printed. Now 4 becomes 6. 6 less than or equal to 100. So like that, 100 means condition true. So when 1 or 2 it becomes condition false. So like that it will be printed up to 100. This repetition is happening. Okay. So as long as the condition is true, the loop will be executed. Okay. So loop will be executed. Repeated in condition phase. Condition fails, it will come. Otherwise, it will be repeated. As long as the condition is true, it is repeating. It is repeating. The same process will go on from here to here. The loop will be repeated as long as the condition is true. When condition is false, it will come out. So the same thing we can do in do while also. Let us see. So in do while, what we are doing here. So do while also same initialization will be there, but here instead of this while, we are taking only do. Do we are taking, and now here we are taking while. Condition we are taking here, and this semicolon is compulsory for you. Here we are checking the condition. I'm checking at the end. Okay. So the same story here also. First I becomes 2. I becomes 2. Now it will come here without checking the condition. It comes. Okay. Even the condition is true or false, whatever it is. Once it will be executed. Now output 2 will be printed. Okay. Now it will come to next statement. Okay. I becomes 4. Now it is checking the condition. 4 less than or equal to 100. Yes. So if condition is true, again it is going up. Okay. So again 4 will be printed. Again this 4 becomes 6. Again 6 less than or equal to 100. Yes. Condition true. Condition true means it is executing. As long as the condition is true, these statements are repeating. So it will go on till 100. It will go on. Okay. 100 less than or equal to 100. It will. Like that, all 100 will be printed. So when it is 1 or 2, condition is false. So it will come out. When condition is fails, it will come out. The same steps. So in loop, generally we have to follow initialization. This is initialization and condition checking, updating the values. These three are important. Initialization, condition checking, and updation. Here we are initializing the values. Initialization. Next here condition checking. Do while we are checking the condition at the end. Now this is updating the values. Updating I is equal to I plus 2. The three steps are important in the loop. Similarly, the same task we can do in for loop also. For loop also same logic. See here. We are taking all these initialization, condition checking, and updating in one line only we are taking. Okay? But I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 100, I plus plus. Now we are taking the percentage. So see here, it is also same thing. All 100 values will be printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300. So here also same process. First it is happening. Initialization is happening. I equal to 1. Next it comes to here. Condition checking. Yes. 1 less than or equal to 100. True. True means it will go inside. So 1 will be printed. Now again it will go to I plus plus. Means 2. Okay, and again it will go to here. These arrows are important. Okay. 2 less than or equal to 100. Condition. Again come inside. 2 will be printed. Again increment will happen. 3. 3 less than or equal to 100. Okay, so like that it is going on. Okay, till 100 means condition true. So 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100 will be printed. And when it comes to 1 at 1, condition fail. Condition fail means it will come out. Whenever the condition is true, it will go inside. Condition is true. If condition is false, it will come out directly. directly to here. Condition is false. Condition true means loop will be executed. Condition false means it will come out. So same, suppose the if I want even numbers means we have to take the increment. Two increments we have to consider. I is equal to I plus 2. So now what is the output? All even numbers are printing? No. Yes, odd numbers are printing. Why? Why odd numbers are printing? Because I value we have taken what? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. So like that. So suppose if I want even number, we should make it 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. So then even numbers will be printed. All even numbers will be printed. What you want as per that you can decide. Suppose if you want all 5 multiples, suppose 5 multiples means 5 I is equal to I into 5. All 5 multiples will be printed here. All 5. 1, 5, 25. Okay. So like that. 5 multiples, no? 5 multiples means we have to consider this. Here we have to use into 5. Into 5 means all 5 multiples will be printed. 5, 10, 15. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can do. So this is the initialization. This is condition checking. This is updation. All three we are doing it in the same line only. Okay. So we can do I is equal to 1 here also. Initialization here also we can do. And this need not be given. Only semicolon is also required. This can be done. Okay. Even if this is the case, it will be executed. Yes. See. So you can do the initialization above the loop also. Even this increment or decrement also, you can do after the loop. That means here I plus plus. If I do this, what will happen? Let us see. If I do like this, so what it is going to happen? Let's first I is equal to 1. This is okay, memory location 1. Okay. Now 1 less than or equal to 100. Yes, condition true. Now it will come here and 5 will be printed. Now, will it come to I plus plus? No, it won't come. Okay, because I did not give any block. Okay, this is important. Try to understand. If you don't give any block, it will consider only one statement. So the for loop, it consider only one statement. Immediate statement it will be considered, and again it will go to the loop only. Again it will go to the loop. What will happen now? 5 is printed. Now again, what is I? I is not updating here because it is not taking this I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus means printf is one statement, I plus plus is second statement. If you want to execute two statements, block is required. Otherwise, what will happen? Only one statement will be printed. Now, what is happening? Condition checking. Again, one only. One less than or equal to 100 condition true. So, like that, it is repeated. So, it will go to infinite loop. Let us see. It will go to the infinite loop. See, infinite, because condition is always true. Condition is not becoming false. When condition becomes false, it will come out. So if you want to execute two statements, what you have to do, you have to make it as a block. As long as the condition is true, it will be repeated. Only if condition fails, it will be terminated. Okay, as long as the condition is true, it will be repeating the statement. Loop will be repeated till condition fails. Condition is always true means it is always repeating. Okay, so if you are not giving this block, this curly braces you are not giving means by default it will take only one statement. Okay, it will take only one statement. Okay, by default. By default. Okay. One statement. Only for even while loop or if or whatever it is. For loop, okay, while loop, whatever it is. Okay, it will take only one statement. One statement only it will take by default. Okay, if you want to execute more statements, more than one statement, okay, block is required. Okay, to execute more statements, okay, block is required. Block means just open the curly braces and give the statements and close it. This block is required to execute more statements. Okay, only one statement means automatically, if you don't give any block, automatically it will consider only one statement. Okay, if you are giving block, these two statements it will consider. Okay, so I'm making it as comment. Now see, I will do one more. So what will happen? This can be done. I is equal to 1 can be done here. I plus plus all condition and increment, everything is happening. Now let us see. Suppose if I am giving print percentage, I am getting what is the output? It will be printed up to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till condition fails. It is repeated. Suppose if I am giving semicolon here, what will happen? If semicolon is here, it will be printed only 101. Yes. Why? Why? Because so here I did not give any block. So it consider the semicolon itself is the statement. Only semicolon is the statement for loop. Semicolon itself is the statement means only this is repeating 100 times. Only semicolon is repeating 100 times. This will not be considered because I did not give any block. Okay, only semicolon will be considered 100 times. When condition fails, it will come out. Okay, as long as the condition is true, here it is repeating. See, I is equal to 1. Here I is equal to 1 and it comes to here. And again it comes to here. There is no block. There is no curly braces. That is why it is going towards here only. Next, here it comes to here. 2 less than 100, 3 less than 100. So it is repeating here only. Okay, when condition is false, first one less than 100, condition true. So semicolon executed. Semicolon means nothing. 2 less than or equal to 100 executed. So when condition is fails, when 101 less than or equal to 100, condition fails. When condition fails, it will come out. Condition fails. Then 101 will be printed. 101 will be printed. Okay. So if you don't want to execute any further statements, you can give semicolon for the for loop. If you don't want to execute. Okay. So if you don't want to execute any statement, then just give semicolon. So only semicolon will be repeated. Okay. Only semicolon is repeated. So these are regarding loops. So the next video we will see arrays concept. Okay. Even we can do reverse also we can do reverse numbers. How we can print reverse numbers? Let us see here. Reverse numbers means we should start from 100. Okay, we should start from 100 uh, instead of this. And now condition changes. Okay, greater than or equal to 1. I minus. What is happening here? Let us see. Here I am not giving any semicolon means here printf will be considered. Default one statement will be considered. So in this case, what is happening? In this case, I is equal to 100. First, I is equal to 100. Next, it will come to here. 100 greater than or equal to 1. Condition true. Condition true means it will be printed. 100 will be printed. Next, it will go to here. I minus becomes 99. Now again, it comes to here. 99 greater than or equal to condition true. Again, 99 is printed. 99 is printed, and again it goes to here. 98. So 98 greater than or equal to 1, condition true. So like that it will go on till 1 greater than or equal to 1. The condition true. Now this becomes 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1. Condition false. Condition false means it will come. So 100 to 1 also we can take. Reverse. Okay. Let us see here. Output. 100 to 1. Reverse. 100 to 1. Reverse also can be. So only 3 steps you remember: initialization, okay, condition checking, and updating the value. These 3 are important. Okay. So remaining arrays concept we will see in the next video.